Hey guys, today we're doing page 55 and the title of the song is My Robot. But before we start playing the song, if we look up here, we'll see the sharp sign. So we're being introduced to the sharp sign, and the sharp sign before a note means play the next key to the right, whether black or white. Okay, so if this is C, right? But the next key to the right is C sharp. D, next key to the right, D sharp. That's how it works. Okay, that's how it works. And it says when a sharp appears before a note, it applies to the note for the rest of the measure. So right here, we play this C sharp, but there's no sharp in front of this C, but we still have to play C sharp because it's still in the same measure. Okay, that's how it works. But here we don't have to play C sharp. We can just play a regular C right here. Okay, so let's put our hands in G position like this, and the song goes like this. And then we're going to repeat again because of the repeat sign right here. So I'm going to repeat again and play it slower. Okay, here I go. 1, 2, 3, go. So that's it for this video, and I hope you understood, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!